If you suspect your iPhone has a virus, follow these steps to remove it effectively. Um, Viruses can infiltrate your device through malicious websites, suspicious downloads, or links received via apps like iMessage or email. Start by deleting any questionable apps you might have installed, especially those with low ratings or unfamiliar origins, as they could be harmful. Um, Next, clear your browsing history and website data. Open your settings, scroll to the Safari section, and tap Clear History and Website Data. This removes potentially harmful cookies and data from your device, ensuring a clean slate. Then, check your Files app for recent downloads that you didn't recognize or intend to download, like zip or HTML files. Delete any unfamiliar files by long pressing and selecting Delete. And be sure to empty your recently deleted folder as well. If these steps don't resolve the issue, proceed to back up your iPhone using iCloud Backup to secure your essential data, such as photos and contacts. To enable this, go to Settings, tap your name, select iCloud, and toggle on iCloud Backup. Once your data is safely backed up, you can reset your iPhone to factory settings to remove any persistent malware. In Settings, navigate to General, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, and select Erase all content and settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to wipe your iPhone clean. After the reset, restore your backup to recover your essential files, uh, and enjoy a virus-free device.